Good morning again to the YouTubes. Doing another turkey hunt. It is no longer April. We are May 7th. 5:22 in the morning right now. It is 44 degrees. Headed back up Saginaw County, Michigan. Kind of in a little bit of a hurry right now because the sun is starting to come up. I got JJ with me and my brother Joey. They're both going to try to get their first turkeys, and hopefully pull a double. If not, we'll shoot one and then wait a little bit, shoot another. But we're going to try to get them right off the roost like we did with Jordan. Haven't been up here since Jordan got his bird, so the property's been unmolested for about a week, and there's still a lot of birds around. So wish us luck. Got a trail cam pic the other day, right up close to the camera, double beard, clear as day, big old double bearded tom. So hopefully he walks in, we shoot him and another tom. But wish us luck here and get these birds out of this field and get them to the freezer. Feel the freezer outdoors. Alright guys, I got my decoys here I'm setting out right now. Got a gobbler gobbling on the roost in between us and the truck. About the same scenario I had with Jordan. So hopefully we're going to get him to come in. JJ and Joey are in the blind. Oh yeah, he's fired up. I gotta hurry up and get these set and get in the blind. Alright, I got the decoys set. I'm going to pass the camera into the blind and then we'll walk down to the pond and do a couple calls. Alright guys, we got a gobbler finally firing off. He's coming our way, we're all set up. I think some flew out of the roost, they went away from us. But this one sounds like he's coming now. He's really firing off. I called a little bit and then I stopped calling. I'm making him come this way and search for us a little bit and I'll give him a call. Oh, there he goes again. So we're going to be real quiet and real still, and we're going to try to get this gobbler. Get him, Joey.
You got him, JJ.
Turkey down.
Long beer down. Long beer down. Ready to go, bud.
Oh my goodness. You hit him, didn't he?
Yeah, he smoked him.
He just flopped over here and he started running off. Joey put the finishing shot on him. All right, JJ, you gotta run out there. You gotta run out there. You gotta grab him by the feet and you gotta step on his head. All right, JJ, come on. Watch that wire. All right, come on. Go grab your turkey. Run up there. Step on his head. Step on it. Grab his feet. There you go. There you go. Pull him. Just keep pulling until he's dead. Until he quits moving.
I heard something crack.
That's fine.
Like this.
Yeah, just like that. Now carry him over to the blind. Don't put him in the blind. Just set him alongside of it. All right. JJ. Alright, JJ, tell us what happened.
So the turkey, he came in from where the pond was, and then we could see him, but then he went in the woods and we couldn't see him. And when he walked back out, he like walked to the left, and then he walked where I could actually shoot him. And then I shot him. Then he just like it flew up where I couldn't see him, and then he landed back down on the right side, and then he tried to wobble off, and then Uncle Joey did the finishing thing, but then I had to go out there, put my foot on his neck and pull his feet up.
Did he come in hot for that decoy?
I don't know.
Was he all puffed up and his neck out? Looked like he was gonna fight that funky chicken.
Yeah.
He might have fought him had we let him go a little longer.
Yeah.
But we got some good footage. Dad kinda was back and forth between, that's me, Dad. I was back and forth between trying to make sure JJ was alright and the camera. So it might be a little shaky footage going back and forth. It's almost, I think it is easier to self-film than it is to film with a youth. And it's definitely easier to self-film than it is to film with 3 people in this double blind. It's not that big with a camera, tripod, shooting sticks and everything else, but we made it work. So
If it was as big as Justin's blind.
yeah, Justin's got a huge blind out at his place. But we made it work. Apologize for not the greatest footage, but we got some good footage. So JJ's first turkey. JJ got his first deer, like 50 yards right over there, or maybe 60 yards right over there this last youth season, and now he got his first turkey. So 9-year-old JJ making him a hunter.
No, Zoe just needs to get both of her first things.
Oh boy.
First deer and her first turkey.
Here comes the talking stuff between the siblings.
Made her so now she can't tease me about falling back, like when I shot him and hitting the blind and hitting the decoy.
I still can.
You can't.
I think she'll still tease you anyways.
Yeah, but then I'll just like punch you for it. That makes it annoying.
If I gotta finish off your bird, I can still tease you about it.
Well, I kind of finished it off.
skin done now?
Yeah.
Alright.
Are the taxidermy?
No, we're doing it. Like the ones on my wall in the garage. Alright?
Yep.
And then you're gonna eat it. All the turkey all by yourself raw.